Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get me AI on Snapchat in UK and other country. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Snapchat and tap on your profile icon, and from here you tap on Snapchat Plus, and from here you tap on subscribe button. If the subscribe button is not showing, then go back your home screen and open your App Store and Play Store, anyone, and from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. From here you make sure that update new version. Tap on update and wait some seconds. After update your Snapchat account, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go back your home screen. Go back and open your again Play Store and App Store, and from here search for this VPN. Tap on VPN, and from here you select any one VPN and change your country or region, because this feature only play in US straight. If the method doesn't work, then go back your home screen and open your again Snapchat and tap on your profile icon and tap on Snapchat Plus and tap on three dots. Tap on this and tap on Connect Sports. Tap on this, and from here you scroll down and tap on this cross icon. Tap on this, and from here what you need to do is tap on first link and tap on submit. After that scroll down and tap on contact us. Tap on this. From here what you need to do is tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature. Tap on this link, and from here you scroll down and tap on Snapchat Plus. Tap on this, and from here you scroll down and tap on manage my Snapchat Plus subscription. Tap on this, and from here you tap on a different issue about my subscription. Tap on this second option, and from here enter your username and enter your active Gmail. Scroll down, and from here description enter your problem, and after that tap on submit. After submit, 24-hour Snapchat team connect your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.